so cost efficient with these Vikings right now.
All right, he still has that bases. That he's
finally.
Guys, this may come down to the island expansions. That just may be what this game comes down to, everybody.
It could be. They are getting close here.
He gets a hat-trick.
Oh, a huge hat-trick kill by MMA. DRG is weak against Ghost right now. This is getting
this
absolutely
army itself
wild.
is pretty scary.
How many Sea Chinks are actually out right now? That's a big question. Because this army is going to be very scary against someone without a lot of Sea Chinks. It looks like we have about 5. I don't know where they are right now, though.
He's going to go. All the way back to where the production facilities are.
Oh my God, beautiful fungal growth! Beautiful fungals all over the place. You gotta be careful though, you can't lose all these infestors. Oh, the corruptors doing their best, but there may in fact be too many.
Oh my God! The Brood Lords are now pushing it here. If DRG, despite its economic deficit, can get inside to where the production facilities are, it may be checked.
Killed off every single Viking with the last fungal growth of his. Barely holding on here.
He's gonna drop the tanks down here.
And this is crazy. Does he have enough? DRG pushing forward. He has less supply, but so many Brood Lords are left over.
He might win a position game instead of an economic one if he can just get up there to his R.
19-year StarCraft career. I cannot believe what I'm seeing. DRG pushing Zerg to its limits, pushing into the main base, the production facilities. Does he have enough MMA with perfect perfect decision making?
And here's the problem, guys. Those are all the barracks that Terran have. Terran will have to read all of his barracks. He can't. Zerglings are coming up here to try to defend.
And these Marines, they're the last stand. He has a few Sea Chinks in here helping out immensely. A few Vikings do come up. The last corruptors of DRG. Can they hold this off? Still so much damage being dealt. Oh my God,
oh my God, the expansion. He's about to take it away income.
No income left. DRG's supply plummeting, even though it looked like he would break through. JJ!